Hello everyone, my name is Gio Alanson V. Mangaoang. Today, I'll teach you how to solve and graph inverse functions. But first, what is an inverse function? Well, for simple understanding, the role of x and y exchange roles. I mean by that, the value of x and y exchange to each other. Still don't get it? Well, I'll give you an example. Let's have f of x equals x cubed. It was a function, not an inverse function. Just to let you know, every inverse function has a function to start with, or vice versa. To put it simply, our x will have the value of -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. The values of x can be given by your teacher or yourself. Let's take a look on our t-chart. We have x and y. X is already have a value which is -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. While y doesn't have it yet. So that means we have to find our y. -2 cubed turns into -8. -1 cubed turns into -1. And repeat this process until you get all these numbers. So you get your x and y intercepts. Now we are going to exchange their roles. It's simple. Make another t-chart and put the numbers of x to y, and the numbers of y goes to x. Easy, right? Well, if you're not sure to your answer, there's an equation for it. Our given is f of x equals x cubed. Then we are going to transform this into an inverse function. F of x equals x cubed turns into y equals x cubed. Then exchange x and y except the cube. After that, cube root both sides, leaving cube root of x equals y, or also known as y equals cube root of x. And finally, turn y into f of -1 of x, then solve it with your given x values to find y. As you can see, you still have the same numbers in the t-chart of an inverse function as before. Now, let's graph it for our inverse function. Make a Cartesian plane and plot the points of the function and the inverse function. After that, you notice that the graph looks identical, like a mirror, which is good because it was the correct answer. That's it. This is how we get all our answers for an inverse function. My name is Gio, and thank you for listening.